Woodworking is more than a craft, it's a path to financial opportunity. Every plank of wood, every cut, every joint, and every finish holds the potential to become a product that buyers value and pay for. The key to turning your woodworking into steady income is focusing on high-demand furniture ideas, designs that combine style, utility, and mass appeal. When you create pieces that meet buyer expectations while showcasing your craftsmanship, every project becomes a stepping stone to consistent profit. This narration is built for makers who want to transform their passion into a sustainable business. From small, functional pieces to larger statement furniture, you'll discover which types of designs sell reliably, why buyers invest in handcrafted wood, and how to structure your workflow to maximize both quality and income. Every piece you build can contribute to long-term growth, repeat customers, and a brand built on reliability and creativity. Whether you are a beginner exploring woodworking or an experienced maker seeking to expand your sales, these high-demand furniture ideas provide a roadmap for transforming wood into wealth. High-demand wooden furniture shares several key characteristics. It is functional, visually appealing, and well-crafted. Buyers are willing to pay for pieces that fit seamlessly into their homes while offering durability and style. By understanding what buyers value most, you can design furniture that not only meets their needs but also commands premium prices. Small and compact pieces often lead the list of high-demand items. Floating shelves, side tables, stools, and mini benches are perfect examples. Their compact size makes them versatile, easy to ship, and attractive to a wide range of buyers. Minimal materials and shorter build times mean you can produce multiple units quickly, creating more opportunities for revenue while maintaining excellent profit margins. Functional furniture is especially appealing. Multi-purpose designs such as storage benches, desks with integrated shelving, or stools that double as side tables appeal to buyers who value both aesthetics and utility. Every functional feature increases perceived value, making buyers more willing to invest in your pieces. Multifunctional furniture also encourages repeat purchases, as buyers seek matching items that complement existing pieces. Classic wooden chairs consistently remain a high-demand category. From elegant dining chairs to minimalist stools, chairs are essential in every home, office, and cafe. Buyers look for comfort, durability, and visual appeal, and makers who deliver all three find their chairs selling steadily. Even simple designs can become profitable when paired with smooth finishes, clean lines, and quality craftsmanship. Tables are another cornerstone of high-demand furniture. Coffee tables, console tables, side tables, and small dining tables are staples in nearly every home. Compact designs are especially popular, allowing you to create pieces that fit apartments, small homes, and offices. Buyers are willing to pay a premium for tables that combine functionality, beauty, and durability. Storage furniture continues to be a top-selling category. Shelving units, cabinets, drawer organizers, and crates help buyers maintain clean, organized spaces. Compact storage solutions appeal to city dwellers, apartment residents, and anyone seeking to maximize space without compromising style. A simple wooden organizer can be a gateway product, easy to produce, fast to sell, and highly profitable. Home decor items with practical use are also highly marketable. Wooden planters, wall shelves, decorative trays, and small display stands merge style with utility. Buyers love pieces that enhance the visual appeal of a room while serving a purpose. Crafting these items allows you to capitalize on trends without investing large amounts of wood or production time. Material choices influence both appeal and profitability. Hardwoods like oak, maple, and walnut convey quality and durability, making buyers more confident in their purchase. Softwoods such as pine or poplar allow for faster production at lower cost. Reclaimed wood adds an eco-friendly story, appealing to buyers who value sustainability. Strategically combining materials helps maximize both aesthetic appeal and profit. Finishing techniques elevate value. Smooth sanding, high-quality stains, oils, and protective coatings transform raw wood into elegant products. Buyers often equate professional finishes with higher quality and are willing to pay accordingly. Even minor details, such as chamfered edges, rounded corners, and visible joinery, contribute to perceived value and sales potential. Customization and personalization are among the most lucrative strategies. Buyers are drawn to furniture that can reflect their style or carry a personal touch. Engravings, color choices, adjustable components, and tailored dimensions create high-value products that command premium prices. Custom options foster loyalty and encourage repeat business, establishing you as a go-to maker for unique, handcrafted items. Trend awareness is critical for consistent sales. Minimalist designs, rustic textures, Scandinavian-inspired lines, and industrial elements resonate strongly with buyers today. By incorporating current trends while maintaining timeless appeal, you ensure your furniture stays relevant and continues to sell. Observing online marketplaces, social media, and home decor magazines will help you identify what's in demand. Batch production optimizes your workflow and profit potential. Once you finalize a design, producing multiple units saves time, reduces waste, and ensures consistency. Small furniture builds like stools, shelves, or trays are ideal for batch production, allowing you to maintain inventory and fulfill orders efficiently. Batch production also enables you to test market demand with limited risk. Photography and presentation are key in selling high-demand wooden furniture. Buyers purchase what they can envision in their home, so high-quality images and lifestyle shots dramatically increase sales potential. Videos of construction or finished pieces reinforce quality and craftsmanship, helping customers feel confident in their purchase. Effective presentation transforms your work from wood into a profitable product. Scalability is another advantage. Starting with small items allows you to learn your market, refine your process, and establish a customer base. As you gain experience and revenue, you can expand into larger furniture, sets, or custom orders. Each step adds to your credibility and increases your long-term earning potential. High-demand furniture is also evergreen. Homes, offices, and cafes always require seating, storage, tables, and decor. By focusing on items that meet daily needs while enhancing aesthetics, you create a reliable sales stream. Quality, style, and functionality ensure that your pieces will attract buyers consistently over time. Finally, your reputation as a woodworker grows with each piece. Delivering high-quality furniture that meets demand builds trust and establishes your brand in the marketplace. Turning wood into wealth isn't about making one expensive piece and hoping for luck, it's about understanding demand, crafting with care, and delivering products that buyers want again and again. By focusing on high-demand wooden furniture, you create consistent income while showcasing your creativity and skill. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.